In today's free online video editing tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can export audio in Adobe Premiere Pro CC completely for free in less than 2 minutes. Step number 1 is to open up Adobe CC Premiere Pro, whatever version you have. Step number 2 is to go under your project bin, locate the file, and drag it onto the timeline. The next step is to add an in point by clicking I on your keyboard, clicking the down arrow and add O to add an endpoint. The next step is to click Ctrl M or to export your clip. Once the window opens, you want to go under the export settings, under format, and click the drop down arrow and scroll all the way down until you see MP3 and click MP3. The next step is to go under preset, click the drop down arrow of MP3 and click the highest quality if you want the highest quality audio file in Adobe Premiere Pro. Name your file under the output name and then click export. Thank you for watching this free online video editing tutorial for Adobe Premiere Pro CC. If you want to see more videos on how to export audio or video in general, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel.